Um, and then just, if you could talk a little bit about, having been around the tech business for a while, especially around the software side, it seems like there's a lot of products, at least I remember at different times, where someone would develop an application, say the original electronic spreadsheet, and then you would see other people coming up with sort of clones of it over time. Is there a particular reason why people didn't patent those concepts initially? Because I don't remember that being a big deal or much of a protection against Microsoft or any of the people who were really good at perfecting ideas but not necessarily creating them.
Well, I think patenting and intellectual property has become a lot more important, particularly in the age of international trade agreements. Globalization has had a huge impact on the importance of intellectual property. And I know when I first started doing this 16 years ago, there wasn't a huge emphasis on intellectual property that there is now. And actually, it actually is, in some cases, it's a reasonable business strategy to not patent. For example, if you're talking in the software world, if you're producing some little utility or something like that, and you decide to release it as freeware or shareware, that sort of thing, or like you're selling it for just a few dollars, and you don't expect it to be in the marketplace for a long time, that might be the kind of product that you would just say, well, when it's done, it's done. I'll make my money on it, and when some people start knocking it off, I'll move on to something else. Because that's a reasonable business strategy, depending on the significance of the product and the cost of the product.